Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video for you guys. People who are new to my channel, hi everyone, my name is Priya. I make videos on hair, makeup and fashion. Let's start with today's video. I hope you will like me and like my videos. So today I will share you with some secrets of how to keep your hair ironing for a long time. Now I'm sure you guys must be doing ironing already and you know how to do it, but there are few things that I'm sure you must have wondered that I iron my hair, but whenever I reach till my destination, as in any party or the function that you have to attend, your hair gets a little frizzy or it is not as straight as it was before. Yeah, so there are few things that you have to keep in mind before you start doing ironing, not during the ironing, of course during ironing also, but there are some steps that you have to focus on, as in before the styling, before the ironing, during the ironing and after the ironing. These three steps are really important. Okay, so let's get started with the procedure of how to do ironing, which will help you to keep your hair straight for a long time. So to start with, I will highly recommend you guys to wash your hair freshly, so that after styling your hair should look very fresh. It will not look oily, it will stay for longer time, plus it will give you good volume. So I have freshly washed my hair now. I haven't applied any base product, anything. I will start everything from scratch and I'll show you how to do step-by-step ironing on your hair, which will stay for long. So now the very first step is you have to damp your hair. Make sure you don't have to wet it too much. It should be moderately damp. So as you can see, I have damped my hair all over. Now this is the very important step, guys. You have to use a heat protection serum. It is very important. When you apply the heat protection serum, apply first towards the ends, then towards the mids, and rest of the serum which is there on your palm, apply from top, that is top of the head. So now after applying the heat protection serum, you have to dry your hair with the hair dryer. Just use your dryer all over. Make sure you dry your hair 80% and leave that 20% to do a proper blow dry on your hair. You can dry it upside down to get a good volume for your ironing. So now in this step you have to use a flat brush and a hair dryer. We are using a flat brush so that we remove all the frizz that we have in our hair. It will control the frizz, it will make our hair smooth and soft. Let me know on the comment section below if you need a video on how to do a quick flat brush blow dry. Don't forget to do the back side. People who have long hair can take the hair towards front and do it. Next, you have to use a round brush and you have to do a proper blow dry. We are doing this blow dry so that it helps our ironing to even stay for a longer time. You have to do it from mids to ends. Make sure you focus on ends. The ends should be towards inside. Guys, you can totally skip this step if you have done a proper flat brush blow dry. And if you want to see how to do a proper blow dry, I have made a video before, and if you haven't seen yet, I will link that down in the description box. So to start with the ironing, now what we have to do is we have to divide the hair into 4 parts, a center parting and 2 side parting. Then we have to clip this side parting. Unclip the first section, divide that section into 2. Take the below section and start with the ironing. Hold the comb before the ironing so that the comb removes all the tangles that you have and your ironing will be smooth and soft. So the temperature that I've taken is 180 degree. People who have super thick and curly hair, they can take 200 degree. But since you have done a blow dry before, guys, this ironing will be super easy and super quick for you. Guys, please don't do this. I've seen many girls doing this way. Please take your section, take your ironing slowly. Don't do it quickly. It will make your hair even more frizzy and your ironing will not be proper. So start from roots, go towards mids and then ends. Do it very slowly, focus on ends. Girls who have short hair can easily do this section from backside this way, but girls who have long hair, they can take the hair towards front and do it. It will be easier for them to take all the sections in front and do it. Do it in same way from other side. Yes, how can we forget these baby hair which always irritates us? Make sure you iron them as well. And we are finally done with our procedure to make our hair smooth, soft, shiny, and the most important thing, it will stay for a really long time. It feels so good when our hair is styled, isn't it? We feel so confident, we feel so beautiful, we feel so great. But hey, wait, are we forgetting something? Yes, a very, very important step, and that is our last step, I promise, which is a hairspray. A setting spray is super important for us. We have done so much struggle to keep our hair straight, soft, smooth. Why to forget the last step? And we are done. So you guys saw the procedure. It is easy. I know it is little longer than how you usually take your ironing time, but if you do a blow dry before you do ironing, trust me, your ironing will be much better and it will stay for a long time. Plus you're doing the blow dry also straight and the ironing also straight. It will give instant shine to the hair. And yeah, I really want you guys to try it and let me know how it was. So if I have to recap for this whole video of how to do ironing to keep your hair long lasting straight, the procedure is: step 1, you have to wash your hair properly. Step 2, you have to damp your hair before you start with ironing. Third step, you have to apply a base product. Guys, it is very important step. Protect your hair from the heat tool because you are going to use 2 heat tools, a dryer and an iron. Next step is you have to focus on blast dry. Do 80% blast dry and then do a proper blow dry, and the last step is to do ironing. When you do ironing, make sure you do step by step, go slow from top to end, focus on mids to ends more, and at the end apply a finishing product, that is any spray which will keep your hair little more long lasting. It will control the frizz, it will give you the shine. I hope this is very clear to you. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. Do like it, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. They should also know that I am doing such kind of videos which will help you girls to groom yourself even more better. yeah, I will come up with one more video. I'm trying to make videos every week so that I can share my knowledge, whatever knowledge I have, to you guys. Let me know in the comment sections below what kind of videos you are looking for. And yeah, that's it. Till then, bye bye.